Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Fusion. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, perimeter alarm, front-wheel drive, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find cruise control, overhead console, child safety rear door locks, cloth seat trim, dual front airbags, emergency trunk release. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.